Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my pregnancy update, and so if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's see. The first obvious thing is, you can see right here. Yeah, I've been gaining a lot of weight, which is really good. I've been trying to gain a lot of weight, so I've been succeeding. I succeeded, but I still need to gain a little bit more for the baby. So that's really good. From the last time I talked to you guys, I was still dealing with a lot of first trimester things, even second trimester things like nausea and vomiting and things like that. I still vomit every now and then when my stomach is upset, but not as often at all as before. Before was just like a little too crazy. I couldn't handle. So yeah, that's that. So I'm doing really well right now. I eat a lot. I eat like 6 times a day. I eat everything and anything except garlic, I believe, and anything that's heavy. Okay, and so I just wanted to make a little bit of clarification for you guys. The doctor that was doing the ultrasound on my last video kind of did like a false how do you say that, false prediction or false, I don't know, false statement, I don't know, but I was wrong. I was actually still like 15 weeks pregnant the last time I talked to you guys, not 17. So the exact week that I'm not on right now, or today, 25 weeks today. Okay, so today is Tuesday, January the 19th, and I am 25 weeks pregnant today. So that's the exact 25 weeks today. So like I said, a lot have been changing. I've been gaining a lot of weight, but coming with that, I'm starting to swell up now. I don't know if you can see on my hand, but I'm getting a little chubby, and it feels a little tight again, like at the first trimester when I first found out that I was pregnant. I have been like a little tight, a little swollen. My feet gets like swollen too at the end of the day, especially every time I finish work. My feet really hurts now. So now appetite is really good, but I still need to eat small portions. I can eat rice now, but brown rice only. I cannot eat any white rice because it's super heavy. Yeah, that's pretty much what I can just think of right now. But I also wanted to say sorry about my hair. I'm just a little lazy right now to fix it, but I'll fix it on the next video, I promise. But anyways, okay, so the baby is the size of a cabbage now. She's almost 2 pounds. Yeah, I'm just gonna read this, I guess, so that it's easier for you guys. Okay, so I nicknamed her Bundle of Love since the beginning, so she's just gonna be Bundle of Love right now. Okay, so Bundle of Love is becoming increasingly viable as his lungs continue to develop for all the amniotic fluid he has been inhaling. He won't let you forget he is there and growing at this point, so you'll feel a lot of kicking around now. And yeah, that's I wanted to talk to you guys about too. She does kick a lot, especially in the morning. She wants to wake me up that she's hungry or things like that. She would kick like a lot, so she usually is the one that wakes me up in the morning. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like that when she's born too. She's gonna be like crying, and yeah, she's just gonna, you know, wake us up. So that's that. But she kicks like really hard actually. She's pretty strong. I'll show you guys a little clip right after this to show you guys like how much she kicks, because it's like you can see it. Okay, and then continue on. You may also experience some new and savory symptoms like gas, constipation, and hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids? How's Bundle of Love? Bundle of Love's hair is thickening, just like yours, and he probably has a hair color by now. Though you can see it, and it could easily change after he is born. That's interesting. Bundle of Love, Bundle of Love's nostrils are starting to open. The air sacs in lungs continue to develop, priming him to breathe air in just a couple short months. Because he's producing surfactant, he has an increased likelihood of surviving a preterm birth at this point. Bundle of Love's loving his new sense of balance, as he can now tell which way is up and which way is down. And he's using this talent to rotate himself towards the position he will be in during birth, head down and feet up. He is now about 14 inches tall, the size of a cabbage, and weigh close to 2 pounds. And so you can also tell when she rolls over. You can literally see her on my belly, like, oh, that's her moving. Yeah. it's really beautiful, actually. It's like, can you believe there is a human inside of you? It's a really beautiful thing. Okay, how's mom? As you approach the third trimester, it's time for the more unsavory symptoms of pregnancy to begin to manifest, including gas, constipation, and hemorrhoids. Over half of pregnant women experience hemorrhoids because of their uterus pressing down on veins in the rectum. Kegels and maintaining regularity may help to prevent them. Gas is common and hard to control than it normally would be. Gas could also be getting worse now, in particular because the size of the uterus has grown to is putting some pressure on your abdominal cavity. Gas is inevitable for many women, but paying attention to your diet could help. Avoiding fried food, carbonated drink, and any food you notice in particular trigger for you. You should also take care to hydrate and to eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Your hormones are messing around again, which could leave your body aching. These aches can be hard to avoid entirely with all the changes your body is going through, but there are ways to limit them. Like a lot of things about pregnancy, a lot of the same rules apply from the things you should be doing all the time, like exercising and loading up on fruits and vegetables. It's also time to start bending with your knees instead of leaning over at your waist when you lean down to pick things up, because even simple motion like this can put a lot of extra strain on your back with the special extra passenger you've brought on board. And that's, I have been actually squatting all the time. I've been squatting every single time ever since I found out I was pregnant, to pick up things on the floor. So that is good. I am safe on that. But I really need to start exercising. I'm trying to find out like good yoga or just walking around to exercise. So that should be interesting. I really hate exercising, to be honest. I like running, but I can't run right now, so maybe just walking should be even fine. And as we talk right now, my feet are getting swollen. Anyways, yeah, so try to relax as much as you can. Take warm bath and see if you can get your partner to give you a massage. A calm and relaxed pregnancy is the best way to deliver a healthy baby. Alright guys, so yeah, pretty much that's what it says at 25 weeks. Yeah, so maybe just to summarize everything, I'm pretty much very well. I'm doing very, very good. I'm very happy at my pregnancy right now. It's finally at the point where people say like, oh, pregnancy is beautiful. I do believe that it is beautiful. it's like having that special bond with your baby, because you're pretty much with her or him every day throughout your day. It's like your best friend, you know, you can talk to him whenever you want, or her whenever you want. For me, it's her. Yeah, so that is the, I guess, the gender announcement here too, because I never announced it on this channel. It is a baby girl, and her name will be announced when she's born. So literally nobody knows the name except me and David, obviously. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. The lighting is getting really bad, and I'm really sorry it's been changing throughout the video. But yeah, let's just move on to the belly. It should be okay, because you just need to see how my belly is. This is the front. And then this is the side. And then this is the other side. And I guess skin. So this is how my belly looks like now. This is the front. And I'm an outie now. This is the side. It's all the way until here. And then this is the other side. All the way here. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know by giving it a thumbs up if you did like it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next pregnancy update. Bye guys.